Written by Park Hyun-kyo and directed by Choi Hang-young, The Silent Sea is a South Korean web series. It is based on the 2014 short film The Sea of Tranquility, which was directed and written by Choi Hang-young. The space mystery is set in a dystopian future where Earth gradually becomes desolate and water is the most precious commodity. 5 years after a disastrous incident that left 117 people dead at the Balhae Lunar Research Station, South Korean Space and Aeronautics Administration sends a crew to retrieve a substance known as the sample. It is later revealed that the sample has properties that can potentially save humanity from its imminent doom. Following its release, the show has definitely received mostly positive reviews, with both critics and fans praising the performances of the main cast members as well as the vision, the visuals, and the concept of the show. If you have already watched the first season and want to know whether there will be a second one, we have got you covered. But before we begin, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any entertainment updates from us. Well, every one of you might be wondering when the second season will release. The Silent Sea Season 1 premiered on 24th of December 2021 on Netflix. It comprises of 8 episodes with a runtime of 39 to 51 minutes each. As for the sophomore season, here is what we know. Neither the Netflix executives nor the creators of the series had confirmed the development of a second season as of yet. However, given the popularity of the South Korean films and TV shows currently enjoy, it's probably a matter of time before the show is renewed for one more round. Films like Parasite and Train to Busan and TV shows like Kingdom and Squid Game demonstrate that South Korean content has found an international audience. If The Silent Sea successfully replicates at least a part of the success of the aforementioned projects, then it will probably get renewed for one more season. And if that happens in the next few months, the audience can probably expect The Silent Sea Season 2 to release sometime in the fourth quarter of 2022 or in the beginning of 2023. Everyone is curious to know what will happen in the second season of The Silent Sea. In season 1, it is revealed that Balhae was used to conduct human experiments on genetically modified cloned children. The purpose was to find a method for humans to survive exposure to lunar water. Luna is the only cloned girl on whom the test had the desired results. The authorities ensured that all the staff of Balhae would die after they were exposed to lunar water. Captain Han sacrifices his life for the safety of his crew. The season ends as Luna, Dr. Song and Dr. Hong are rescued. Well, in the perspective of season 2, a war might break out between countries over Luna. The RX will try to secure her for themselves as well. With Dr. Song helping her, Luna will probably have a happy life. She might meet Captain Han's daughter at some point and tell her about her father's bravery. This was our theory on what could happen on the second season of The Silent Sea. Well, you might be wondering which cast members are included in the second season. Though no official confirmation has been made regarding season 2, but here's what we can predict. Season 1 stars Bae Doona as Dr. Song, Gong Yoo as Captain Han, John Lee as Tae-suk, Hyo Sung Tae as Mr. Kim, Kim Sun Young as Dr. Hong, Lee Moo Sang as Officer Gong, and Kil Hae Yeon as Director Choi. These are the main and the lead cast members of the show, and there are great chances that they would return. Gong Yoo, John Lee, Lee Moo Sang, Choi Young Woo and Jung Son Woo might not appear in the prospective season 2 beyond the flashback scenes as their respective characters die in the first season. The rest of the cast will probably reprise their roles. Moreover, new cast members might be added if the show continues to expand its universe. This is what we all know about the second season of The Silent Sea, and we are definitely going to pray that it releases very soon. Until then, hit your reviews in the comment section, and before leaving, subscribe to the channel to never miss any entertainment updates from us.